Wow, I'm honestly surprised at what Uber did. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm going over something that I never thought would have happened, but Uber emailed me to help them with something very specific. And if you live in California, you might have gotten this email too. So if you guys don't know, basically, well, first of all, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Nice to meet you formally. Yeah, this channel is all about rideshare, Uber, and Lyft. Blah, blah, blah. Like the video if you enjoy the content. Today's video, I just got an email from Uber and they said it literally, the title of their email is called Dylan, we need your help. And it says, tell lawmakers to protect driver flexibility. So Uber no longer can impact the government on their own. They need the help, the support of the drivers. Now it's like, well, Uber, you never raised our rates before. Why should we help you now? But this is actually to help, basically, gosh, there's so much going on. Basically, really quick debrief. If you guys don't know what's going on, if you drive in California for Uber and Lyft, the California Assembly passed a bill, whatever you want to call it, to make Uber and Lyft drivers, as well as a few other gig economy workers, employees. The Senate still needs to pass it, so it's not complete yet, but the Assembly did pass it already, and it's pretty much underway. The government just pretty much needs to decide yes, no, or if they want to change it, veto it, filibuster it, whatever. And Uber actually responded, Uber and Lyft, the executives, and they said, hey, we really don't want to make drivers employees. We like the current system that it's on. If we had to make drivers employees, it would basically alter our whole business model. And yeah, before the Senate votes, Uber, they want to increase driver pay so on like more of a compromise, because the government is saying, well, so many people are relying on Uber and Lyft for full-time income and they're not receiving employee benefits such as healthcare, the right to unionize, and then a set pay. So yeah, the California government's like, come on, Uber and Lyft, you guys are kind of cheating the system or hacking the system, I think one person said, or something like that. But now Uber responded with the whole compromise, let's increase the wages. You guys have seen my titles in the past couple of videos I've done, but now to help with that, they're reaching out to drivers specifically. So this is the email I got right here, guys. Tell lawmakers to protect driver flexibility. Dylan, recent changes to I don't know if this is because I run the Rideshare Hub, but let me know if you also got this email. Recent changes to California law could threaten your access to flexible work with Uber. Unless lawmakers take action now to modernize the law, you could lose your ability to work multiple apps and control when and where you drive. Yeah, so basically they want to limit, like, I know a lot of you guys drive for Uber and Lyft. I drive for Uber and Lyft. If this law passes, basically it's amending a law that was set about a year ago by the Supreme Court. But this is like before the technology, like rapid technology growth and stuff with Uber. If this law passes, you're limited to one app. You have to work when you want. You have a set pay. And it's like, I don't want that. The reason I'm working this is so I can work whenever I want, do other side stuff on my own. So yeah, Uber recognizes that. They don't want this to happen. So now they're reaching out to us. They say, we know that flexibility is important to you, and we're working to protect it while also improving the driver experience. Uber and Lyft are coming together. Uber and Lyft come together to call on lawmakers to support a better path toward rideshare drivers. Guys, this is honestly the first time that I've ever seen Uber say something good about Lyft, like Uber and Lyft are coming together. Usually they try to keep it separate from each other, but now in order to instill change, they have to come together. This is crazy. So we're advocating for rules that would improve earnings, expand driver benefits, and create an association to represent drivers. Wow. This honestly, it's like the strikes are working, but this is crazy though. Your voice is missing from this conversation, and lawmakers need to hear what is important to you. Join the fight to protect driver flexibility in ridesharing in California. Tap below to make your voice heard, and then you click on this petition, and here is the petition. Tell the California legislature to protect ridesharing and driver flexibility. They already set out this whole preset message, which I do think is pretty funny. I'll just read it really quickly. As someone who drives with Uber in California, I'm asking, they didn't include Lyft in here, funnily enough, I'm asking the California legislature to protect my ability to work on my terms following dynamics. I choose this line of work because it offers the freedom and flexibility of deciding when, where, and how much to work all of my terms. Please add your story about why you chose to work with Uber. So yeah, and then you can add your own story here. I honestly urge you guys to sign this petition, but change this up. You know, say exactly what you want to say so they can read it. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Will you be signing the petition? Do you want an increased pay? This is now your opportunity to get your voice heard. Sign the petition and let them know, like, you know, what you want as a driver. I vote for increased wage. I vote for, you know, some healthcare benefits. That would be awesome. And the right to organize, like, you know, more of an association for drivers. I'm the first one to sign up for that driver association. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Give the video a big thumbs up if you want more money as an Uber driver. If you want an increased pay, Uber does watch my videos, so give the video a thumbs up. You know, maybe if they see a bunch of thumbs up, they will increase the pay. And leave your comments down below as well, because, you know, I read the comments, they read the comments. Everybody's looking around right now. They want to see what drivers are up to. So smash the thumbs up button, leave your comment below, and subscribe for more videos. Please subscribe. You don't want to miss out my next videos. I'm coming out with a huge video. I'm doing a big giveaway, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. All right, guys, I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye, guys.